In today's technological climate, many industrial processes are left to pumps. And our reliance on these pumps means that downtime simply isn't an option. But what if you were able to predict pump failures before they happen? With Grundfos Machine Health, you can do exactly that. Through a combination of advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, Grundfos Machine Health collects real-time data on your operating equipment to detect anomalies and indicate when maintenance will be required. You can then schedule service appropriately to minimize downtime and maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of your maintenance program. Grundfos Machine Health listens for cavitation, resonance, bearing wear, misalignment, and more. Utilizing Grundfos Machine Health will keep your pumps in optimal shape at all times, drastically reducing the risk of breakdowns and emergencies that can be detrimental to your operation.
We operate the third largest wastewater plant in the state of Wisconsin. We treat 36 million gallons a day. For the last 90 years or so, we've been able to clean and treat that wastewater to some of the highest standards in the world. If we fail, if we shut down, the wastewater that is generated continuously, day to day, hour to hour, minute to minute, would then be dumped into rivers and streams and Lake Michigan, so failure is not an option here.
Grundfos's comprehensive condition database indicates mechanical malfunctions and delivers real-time diagnostics and actionable insights to the user instantly.
Every mechanical system around us emits noise, so different malfunctions have very unique patterns that we learn how to recognize. And we do this by connecting sensors to the machine that have vibration and ultrasound capabilities, as well as record temperature and even magnetic emissions. And we then send this data to the cloud, to our servers, where we apply the machine learning algorithms, the AI. So we listen to these machines, right, with our sensors. And by comparing this recording to all the previous recordings, we can detect the slightest change, and we can even tell you what's wrong with it.
Our ability to function while the plant or factory here is running constantly, shutting it off is not an option, and that's very critical. They need to be functioning when we need them at all times on all cylinders.
In short, Grundfos Machine Health tells you where a potential issue lies, why it's happening, and how you can fix it. Visit grundfos.us/machinehealth to learn more.